Hey guys, bago nyo ituloy ang lesson about how to create your landing page for your business, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo itong VIP group namin. We already have 1,400 plus members na nag-join sa ating very affordable course on Facebook ads. So sa mga gustong matuto on how to get more traffic, how to get more sales sa inyong mga negosyo, make sure to check our post on we are selling a Facebook ad course for a very affordable price for a very limited time din habang dumadami ang ating members. So para masagot yung mga questions sa group. Kasi dito sa group, once you purchase our course, meron tayong VIP group for support. So yung mga admins sumasagot sa mga questions as well as sa mga members na natuto. So as you can see here, we have a member na nagsabing yung opinions, experiences, expertise, and testimonies sa group namin ay priceless. So sa mababang halaga, matututo na kayo sa video courses. At the same time, we also share information base sa aming experience as well as sa iba pang members. So halimbawa, meron kayong mga health and beauty products, pwede kayong connect sa mga kapwa nyo, health and beauty products din yung binebenta. Okay, so ayan, meron pa tayong mga testimonies, mga comments from other members about dito sa group natin. So, hindi kami yung mawawala na lang after nyo mag-purchase ng course. We make sure na you learn. But also, you need to make sure din na panoorin nyo yung mga videos. Otherwise, hindi rin kayo matututo. Okay? So, ito yung post. I will just link this below. And then to show you some of the ads na we run, this is an example of a 7-day result. So nakikita nyo dito, August 28 to September 3, we spent 10,400 pesos and converted 32,890 pesos. So we have around 22,000 profit in a 7-day ads. This is just for one ad set that we run. Okay, so kung gusto nyo matuto nito, make sure to check or send us a message. Check our website habang mababa pa yung pricing. So, ayan, make sure to join our community.